In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into a Gmail account on your desktop or laptop. This is a simple process, but each step is crucial to ensure a smooth login experience. Let's get started. First things first, you need to open a web browser on your computer. It can be any browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the page. Click into the address bar and type in www.gmail.com. After typing the website address, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will take you to the Google sign-in page. If you're already logged into a Google account, you might be taken directly to your Gmail inbox. Assuming you're on the sign-in page, you'll see a field asking for your Gmail address. Here, you should enter your complete Gmail address. For example, you would type something like your name at gmail.com. After entering your email address, click the Next button to proceed to the next step. If you happen to have multiple Google accounts, you'll see them listed here. Make sure to select the account you wish to log into. Now, you should see the password entry screen. This is where you'll need to type your Gmail password. Be sure to enter your password carefully, ensuring that it's typed correctly. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check your caps lock key if needed. Once you've entered your password, click on the Next button again. If all the information you've entered is correct, you will be successfully logged into your Gmail account. You'll be redirected to your Gmail inbox, where you can start managing your emails, sending messages, or just checking out what's new. It's important to remember that keeping your login details secure is crucial. Avoid sharing your password with others and consider enabling two-step verification for an extra layer of security. That's all it takes to log into Gmail on a desktop or laptop. Each step is simple, yet essential in ensuring that you have uninterrupted and secure access to your emails. Whether this is your first time logging in, or if you just needed a refresher on the process, I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for tuning in and happy emailing.